There are a lot of ways to make money online, but most of them are not easy, and sometimes you need to invest money to earn from that. Even most of them do a scam. Today in this video, I will discuss most 5 simple ways to make money online. Number 1. Make money by YouTube channel. The YouTube Partner Program is a gateway of earning money. Members of this program can make money from several ways, including by advertise on their videos, by premium subscribers, by channel membership, by super chats, and many more. To get approved on YouTube Partner Program, you have to gain 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. How much you can earn from YouTube channel? You can expect to earn on average $2 per 1,000 views. That means your 1 million views can earn up to $2,000. Number 2. Make money by blog site. The most famous network for earning from a blog site is Google AdSense. All you need is just some good quality content, then apply for Google AdSense. Google will show your content related banner advertisement on your site. When viewers view or click on those ads, you will start earning money. There are numberless related programs like Google AdSense. You can choose from one of those. You can start your free blog from Google Blogspot, or you can buy a domain hosting at cheap rate. Number 3. Make money from affiliate program. Affiliate program is great and simple way to make money online without having any skill. What is affiliate marketing? When an online retailer gives you money or payment for traffic or selling goods, products, then it's called affiliate marketing. Here is the simple 3 steps of affiliate marketing. First, you promote any products or any services to followers. Second, your followers buy those services or products by clicking your associate link. And finally, you get paid a percentage for those purchases or selling. So, what are you waiting for? Just join any of these following link and start earning money. Here are some of the famous affiliate networks you can join today: ClickBank, ShareSale, Amazon Associate, CJ Affiliate, and many more. Number 4. Make money by CPA marketing. CPA stands for cost per action, where payment is given when a user does a particular action. Those actions may include signing up for a contest, filling a form or surveys, making a purchase, and many more. It is one of the best simple ways to make money online. How much you can earn from CPA marketing? Trust me, there are a lot of people around the world who are earning millions per month by CPA marketing offer. Here are few famous CPA networks that you can check out and start earning money today: Max Bounty, B Commission, Freefly, CPA Lead, CPA Dealer, ClickBootHand, and many more. Number 5. Make money on outsourcing platform or website. If you are good at something like Microsoft Word, Excel, Photoshop, web designing, graphic designing, content writing, or podcasting, then go and sign up with any of these following best freelancing sites like fiverr.com, upwork.com, Guru, freelancer.com, Design Hill, and many more. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you have any suggestions or instruction regarding make money online, please let us know by commenting here. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you. Take care.